How to get Crypt Car Token in Monopoly Go. So there are four cars to build in Spooky Car event cheats: the Ghost Car, Pumpkin Car, Bad Car, and the Crypt Car. Every car is unique in both appearances and point requirements. You can win a fantastic prize of 5,000 dice rolls, Galaxy sticker pack, and a Crypt vehicle token if you and your teammates finish all four cars. Along the route, you may also find additional incentives including jewels, cash, stickers, and vehicle tokens. Each car has a different point requirement that you need to meet, and the Crypt car needs 4,000 points. In order to win this event, you must choose and work with trustworthy partners. Gather and use wheel tokens carefully, and finish each car before the time limit. You may improve your chances of getting spooky vehicle companions in Monopoly Go, and have more fun with the game by using the scary car partners in Monopoly Go and strategies in this post. So that's it, and that's how to get Crypt Car Token in Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.